Most robot vacuums looks great in ads. Most reviews are done after 1 week, but this one I've been using it for over a year, every day with 2 cats. Today I'm sharing the honest truth about the Philips HomeRun 9000. No hype, no marketing tag, just real daily use. Hey everyone, welcome back to Maditechs. If you are thinking about buying a robot vacuum, especially if you have pets, this video can save you a lot of money and frustration. Quick clarification before we start. This video is not about first impressions, it's not an unboxing, and it's not sponsored type. I've used this robot for more than 1 year in real home with cats, pet hair, daily cleaning, and real problems. I will tell you exactly what I like, what I don't like, and whether it's worth it for you. Let's start with something many reviews skip, what you actually get in the box. The Philips HomeRun 9000 comes with the robot vacuum itself, a docking and cleaning station, a water tank for mopping, cleaning accessories and filters, and depending on your region, accessories like a mop attachment. It's complete package. You are not forced to buy extra essentials just to start using it. Now let's talk about the real daily use with pets. I have 2 cats, which means pet hairs, dust, and small messes every single day. For vacuuming pet hairs, this robot performs very well. On hard floors, it's excellent. On carpets, it's solid, not perfect but reliable. It doesn't miss large areas and it doesn't just push hair around. The mopping feature is designed for maintenance cleaning, not deep scrubbing. For everyday dust, light stains, and keeping floors fresh, it does the job. If you expect it to replace manual mopping completely, it's not realistic, but that's true for almost all robot mops. One area where this robot feels premium is navigation. Mapping is accurate, room detection works well, you can set no-go zones, schedules, and cleaning routines easily. In daily use, it moves confidently and avoids most obstacles without random behavior. Now let's talk about the problems, because no device is perfect. I personally had an issue with the water tank. I sent the unit for repair twice, and unfortunately the problem wasn't fully resolved. The part was frustrating and I want to be completely honest about it. However, aside from that issue, the robot continued to perform well in daily cleaning. Battery life is strong for daily cleaning. It comfortably handles full home runs and returns to the dock automatically. Maintenance is simple: emptying, cleaning filters, checking brushes, nothing complicated or time-consuming. So who is the Philips HomeRun 9000 actually for? If you have pets, want reliable daily cleaning, want smart mapping and automation, don't want to think about vacuuming every day, this robot makes a lot of sense. But if you are looking for perfect deep mopping, zero maintenance, or a robot with no flaws at all, then this may not be the right choice, and that's okay. After 1 full year with pets, my conclusion is simple. Most robot vacuums looks good on paper. This one proves itself in daily life. It's not perfect, but it's reliable, smart, and genuinely useful. If this video helped you, give it a like, it really helps the channel. If you have questions about the robot or robot vacuums in general, drop them in the comments. I read and reply to all of them. And don't forget to subscribe to Maditechs for honest tech reviews without the hype. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.